IP and web security, authentication, IP security, web security, and secure transaction. Brief overview of topics. Authentication protocols, IP security in architecture, web security consideration, secure electronic and transaction. Authentication protocols. What is authentication? Definition: verifying the identity of the user system. Importance: prevent unauthorized access. Type of type of authentication protocols. Password based, challenge response, token based, multi-factor. Zero Authentication 2.0 and OpenID Connect. Authentication framework access token. Layer on Zero Authentication 2.0 ID token in GWT diagram flow of Zero author, Authorized 2.0 in certificate base. What is IPsec? Secures IP communication via encryption authentication. Modes: transport, end-to-end versus gateway-to-gateway. IPsec components: authentication header, integrity and authentication, ESP, encapsulating security payload, encryption integrity, IKE, IKE, Internet Key Exchange, establish secure case, IP security architecture AppSec. AppSec use cases: VPN, secure remote access, web security consideration, common web threats, man-in-the-middle attack, HTTPS, ESTS, security, strict transport security, CORS, cross-origin resources sharing, secure cookies and session, secure HTTP only in same site, cookie flags, session hijacking prevention, secure electronic transaction. What is it? Developed by Visa Mastercard for secure online payments, user digital certificates for authentication, web security protocols. Customer's credit card info is encrypted. 1. Merchant never sees full card details. 2. Payment gateways validate transaction. Diagram set transaction flow. SETVS SLT set. Focus on the payment specific security. SSL TLS is general purpose encryption. Summary. Recap key points. Authentication ensure identify. AppSec is secure if IP layer. Web security is need HTTPS and threat mitigation. Set is protect in commerce and transaction. How set works. Thank you.